Hey everybody! Today we are doing a Halloween monster nail design. We will be using a black polish, a white polish, and Del So's Perfectly Pastel nail polish. Let's get started. Start by painting your index finger, your ring finger, your thumb, and your pinky with the Perfectly Pastel polish. Then paint your middle finger with the black polish. Using a paintbrush, paint on the monster's hair with zigzag strokes. Using the back of the brush to paint on the eyes. Using that small brush, paint thin black lines for the eyebrows and mouth. Using the white polish, paint on patches on your pinky and index. Then use the black polish to paint on your stitches. Then paint the slime by using the Perfectly Pastel polish on your thumb and middle finger. Finish it off with a top coat. This is what the monster nail design looks like inside without the sun, and here's what it looks like outside with the sun. I hope you enjoyed our design today. Thanks for watching!